Yo, what's up, guys? I'm back with another trade recap. Today we did take an L. We just lost $250. This is the setup that I lost on. We literally just wiped out our Asia profits yesterday that I just posted a trade recap on. But let's go over everything on this trade, why I took it, why I think it's good, why it could be bad, and all the good stuff about the trade, my DOL, and how I was looking and what I expected coming into open. So let's get straight into it. I'm just gonna go ahead and delete everything, starting on a higher time frame. So over here, this is New York AM right here. What do I see? We're just trending higher. We're bullish. We did make this expansion leg here. So that's going to confirm if we're going to hit these low resistance drops below or continue higher. The main reasoning for continuing higher was this daily gap. So if we didn't have the daily gap, I wouldn't really be looking for longs that much. But since we did have it, then I was more open to it. But really, my scenarios coming into open, see 9:30 opens right here. We did have this 15-minute candle here, so all I really wanted was just to resweep into this 15-minute gap and then just short, because we had so much higher time frame low resistance right here. So I was really just expecting this to get taken out, and we also had an hourly gap resting right here. So it is super obvious accumulation here. 9:30, I just wanted to open high and get an inversion lower, but we did not end up getting that, and then we instead hitting the 4-hour internal high and then getting this 2-minute mech, which honestly I don't think it's the best trade. It's pretty bare minimum, mainly because we edged this daily, but still, if you're really convicted, then it's okay. Then what do? We hit this 1-hour gap and we create 5-minute fair value gap, unmitigated right here, and I take my entry right when we inverse this 2-minute stop loss here and take profit around a 1-to-1. And I did end up losing on this, and let's talk about the potential reasons why this could have lost. So first things first, if we look at this, we can see this is a super tiny gap. It's like about a 1 point or 2 points. So that's already not like the best thing, and we technically didn't fail off of it more than 3 times, which like a lot of people said is bad because we failed to distribute off it 3 times, but they're not paying attention to the high time frame. There's literally a 1-hour gap. So it's literally just the initial, it's just the initial mitigation sweep. So nothing really like that mattered there. And then another reason people faded is because we had this 50-minute internal low low here, which honestly I don't think matters at all. We did have 10-15 that was able to manipulate lower, but I literally don't think this matters at all. There's no reason that we should go here if we're already in a higher time frame gap, like an 1 hour. And then ES also had a pretty major 1-hour internal low, but still doesn't matter because we're in a 4-hour gap. So why should I care about something? Why should I care about a 1-hour internal low if we're on ES? Oh my god, my bad. Why should I care about a 1-hour internal low if we're on a 4-hour on ES and I don't even trade ES? So I should already be giving ES less significance. So, um, really, I can't say anything bad about this trade. I did rate it like an A minus, because there's literally nothing that's avoidable at this trade that is valid and has real reasoning. So I think it's still pretty good trade. Obviously the 1 minute that I got reswept on is the way better trade. Why? Because we take out all form of manipulation here. There's no more reason to go to our stop loss. Unlike this one, but there's obviously always gonna be risk. So it's not like I'm gonna fade this. I'm not gonna fade a trade just because you have something below us. Like there's always gonna be risk. If I'm convicted enough in this 5-minute, I was just expecting this 5-minute to send us higher, and if anything, 10-15 should inject volatility to hit this 5-minute and then send us lower. But obviously, yeah, this 1 minute after we recept delivers perfectly. Right when I got a stop loss, I was like, damn, bro. And everyone was like hating on my trade so much. So honestly, like I can't even see a really valid reason for why this lost. But when I saw this after I got reset, I was like, oh my god, that's so A plus. That's winning for sure. I know I was about to get stop punted, but I didn't enter it because I usually just do 1 trade a day. So that's really all I was thinking during this trade, and pretty unfortunate day. I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty pissed about it, but that's the recap, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, sub. Pretty short recap. Right now it's low key 1 a.m. So I need to go to sleep for next day open. And hopefully we make this back, bro. I might look pissed. I look just lost all my profit, but